Did you know most people touch their phone before they even open their eyes?
Wait, what? Closed eyes? How?
They just reach out. Welcome to English Pod Center, by the way. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas. Yeah, I do that. The phone thing.
Right. Today we are talking about your daily routine, what you do every single day.
Oh, my daily routine is bad. Ugh, really bad.
Why is it bad, Lucas?
I am always tired, like so tired in the morning.
That is the big problem. People hate mornings.
Yeah, they're just angry, like an angry dog.
An angry dog, exactly. But we can fix the dog. We can fix your morning routine.
Wait, fix it? How? I just want to sleep.
Okay, let's learn some simple English words for this. First word, wake up.
Wake up. Easy.
But do you wake up or do you get up?
Wait, are they different?
Yes, wake up is when your eyes open. Get up is when you leave the bed.
Oh, wow, okay. I wake up at 7, but I get up at maybe 8?
1 hour in bed? Lucas.
I know. I just look at my phone.
That is the angry dog problem. You feed the angry dog your phone.
Feed the dog. I like that. So phone in bed is bad?
Very bad. It makes you slow.
Yeah, I feel very slow. So what should I do?
Okay, so here is the secret rule. It's called the water first rule.
Water first? Like drink water?
Yes, before coffee, before the phone, just drink a big glass of water.
Really? No coffee? But I need coffee.
You can have coffee, just after the water.
Oh, okay. Water first, then coffee. Got it.
It is like washing a dirty car. You need water first, right?
Yeah, you can't wash your car with coffee. That would be gross.
Exactly. Your body is the car. Water cleans the sleep away.
The sleep away. Okay, so wake up, get up, drink water, drink coffee.
Perfect. That is a good start to a daily routine.
Wait, what about eating? Breakfast?
Ah, breakfast. Do you eat breakfast, Lucas?
Sometimes. Usually I run to work.
You run? Like literally run?
Well, I walk very fast. Because I am late.
Because you stayed in bed for an hour.
Hey, don't judge me, Luna.
I am just saying, if you get up faster, you have time for breakfast.
True. What is a good, fast breakfast?
Something simple. Eggs, bread, an apple.
Eggs take too long to cook. I burn them.
You burn eggs. Oh, Lucas. Okay, just eat an apple.
Apple is easy. Wash apple, eat apple.
Let's practice. What is your new morning routine? Tell me.
Okay, let me think. I wake up at 7.
Good. Then what?
I get up at 7:05?
Wow, so fast. Much better.
Yeah, and then I drink a big glass of water. The water first rule.
Yes, wash the car.
Wash the car. Then I make coffee.
Nice. Do you look at your phone?
No phone. The phone is the angry dog.
You remember everything. You are doing great.
And then I eat an apple because I burn eggs.
Yes, no fire in the kitchen.
Exactly. So, after the apple, I go to work.
Wait. How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
The bus? Okay, what do you do on the bus?
I sleep.
No sleeping on the bus.
Why not? I am tired.
Listen, Lucas, the bus time is, magic time.
Magic time? Like Harry Potter?
No, magic time for your brain.
Okay. What is magic time?
You can learn something, like listen to English Pod Center.
Oh, I listen to a podcast. That is smart.
Very smart. Okay, so you go to work, then what?
I work for like 8 hours. It is long.
Do you take a break?
A break? No, I just work.
Bad. You need a break.
But my boss says work.
Listen, your brain is a phone battery.
Okay, a phone battery. I get that.
If you play games all day, the battery dies, right?
Oh, yeah, my phone dies fast.
Exactly. Your brain is the same. Work is a game.
So I need to charge my brain?
Yes. How do you charge it?
I drink more coffee?
No. Coffee is fake energy.
Oh, then how? Sleep at work?
No. Stand up, walk outside, look at a tree.
Look at a tree. Really, Luna?
Yes, really. Just 5 minutes.
Okay. Look at a tree. Charge the battery.
Good. Now it is time for lunch.
Finally, I love lunch.
What do you eat, Lucas?
Usually I buy a big pizza.
Lucas, no big pizza.
Why? Pizza is happy food.
It makes you sleepy. Heavy food, sleepy brain.
Wait, so apple for breakfast, no pizza for lunch? I am hungry.
Eat a sandwich, a salad. Be light.
Okay, a sandwich. I can do a sandwich.
Good. Now let's practice.
Oh boy, a test?
A fun test. Tell me your new perfect day.
Okay, wake up. Do not touch the angry dog.
Yes, no phone.
Drink water to wash the car. Eat an apple.
Perfect. And the bus?
Magic time. I listen to a podcast.
Work?
I charge the battery. I look at a tree.
And lunch?
A sandwich, not a big pizza.
Lucas, you did it! I am so proud.
Wow, I feel smart. But hey, what about our listeners?
Yes. Guys, what is your daily routine? Tell us in the comments.
And please subscribe to English Pod Center. See you next time.